Hello, today let's look at how to use the upper function in Excel. So if you have a data maybe which is in small letter, lowercase, and you want to convert them to uppercase, so you type equal to, then you type the word upper. So equal to upper, then you close the bracket, then you select the data that you want to change from lowercase to uppercase. So this is the data which is in lowercase and you want to change it to uppercase or capital letters. Then close the bracket. So the function is equal to upper, then bracket open, then you select the data, then you close the bracket, then you press enter. So it will change everything from lowercase to uppercase. Thank you.